It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. So Trump is basically dismissing his intelligence agencies and taking up for Russia, even though 11 Russians were arrested for interfering in the elections. Okay.
Kiki, do you love me? This Kiki challenge has people doing dumb things. Rule number 1, have a plan and quite possibly a spare key. Oh, and watch where you're going.
So Vegas dropped another video. This time, it's all about the world being flat. I'm not too sure what's going on, but okay.
Not right off of this thing now. It's like, okay, sir. Will Smith's video for Cardi B, it was so sweet and cute.
And finally holding the spot this week, the Vibes Cartel court case.
So now that you've wrapped your closing arguments, what really is the crux of the appeal? On what basis can Cartel possibly walk free?
Well, the grounds that we've filed encompasses tampering with exhibits, contamination of exhibits, basically unfair trial, defense not adequately put, evidence admitted that was prejudicial. So it's a plethora of matters, including jury contamination.
What's really going on? Every day there's something new, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.